Today, we will explore an extremely interesting and engaging topic. 10 fashion items older men can wear to attract younger women if you are a mature man looking for ways to improve your personal style to make a strong impression on the ladies. Then this video is for you. Young women always look for men with maturity, confidence, and a unique style. They are not only attracted by the appearance or temporary prominence, but also by the subtle and individual marks that an older man can bring. In particular, when you show maturity through each outfit, you not only attract attention, but also make an unforgettable impression. Therefore, each item you choose to wear is not only to beautify, but to affirm your own personality and character. Certainly the way you dress will be the deciding factor to help you attract attention and make her unable to take her eyes off. But more importantly, how you express your style and sophistication through the items you choose. Ingenuity and confidence in choosing clothes will be the key to conquering the hearts of women. So let's find out the indispensable items in a mature man's wardrobe and turn them into powerful weapons to attract the attention of attractive young women. 1. A white shirt is an indispensable item in any mature man's wardrobe. Although simple, a white shirt has a strong and irresistible charm. When you put on a white shirt, your appearance immediately becomes elegant and luxurious. But what makes this item even more special is when you roll up the sleeves, highlighting the mature and strong body lines. A white shirt not only brings a fresh, elegant feeling, but also shows the confidence and maturity of a mature man in particular. When combining a white shirt with the right outfit, you will easily create a style that is both elegant and attractive. The look from her when she sees you in a white shirt with rolled up sleeves will definitely make her heart beat faster. The simplicity but sophistication of a white shirt means you don't have to try too hard to impress. It is the naturalness, gentleness, and charm of it that will be the key to making her feel that you are the man she is looking for. That is someone who is both strong and sophisticated, mature enough to give her a sense of security, but also attractive enough to make her unable to take her eyes off too. Layering is an art of sophistication, especially in the winter. Not only does it keep you warm, it also gives you a charming and elegant look. Young women always appreciate men who know how to combine clothes that are not only beautiful, but also show sophistication and ingenuity. A well-fitted blazer combined with a soft tweed scarf or a thin sweater will create an appearance that is both luxurious and strong, full of masculinity. Each layer of clothing not only brings warmth, but also shows your style and maturity with just a little ingenuity in choosing clothes. You can create an attractive look that makes her turn to look at you every time you appear. The image of you in a smart blazer with a neatly rolled up scarf and a thin sweater inside not only helped you stand out from the crowd, but also makes you the ideal model that young women are looking for. Both sophisticated and masculine layering clothes is not simply a way to keep warm, but also an expression of creativity, an understanding of fashion. You do not need to choose overly elaborate items, but just know how to choose and coordinate them in a harmonious way. It is this ingenuity that will help you attract all eyes, make you the sea of attention, and make her unable to take her eyes off you. 3 leather boots, a symbol of charm and masculinity. This is not just a simple fashion item, but an accessory that gives you a strong, competent, and charming look, crafted from durable and luxurious leather. Leather boots are easy to combine with many different outfits, from stylish jeans to elegant chinos. Each step in these shoes not only creates a solid sound, but also conveys the ingenuity and beauty of maturity. Leather boots are not only a smart choice to complete the outfit, but also a prominent detail that helps you affirm your style and personality. The image of you in a pair of strong boots will create a captivating appeal, making her eyes unable to leave you. It is a combination of elegance and strength an undeniable charm that only mature men can show. When you wear leather boots, you not only highlight your masculinity, but also radiate an irresistible beauty. Those shoes are like a unique mark, making her feel your confidence and maturity. Try wearing leather boots. Once you will clearly see the change in the way she looks at you. It is a change from admiration, curiosity to attraction, making her unable to take her eyes off and always want to be closer to you. Leather boots are an indispensable symbol in the style of a mature man for one of the most important factors. When it comes to fashion, is the fit of the outfit. Well-fitted clothes not only create a neat appearance, but also bring maximum comfort to the wearer. When clothes fit the body, they accentuate every natural line, highlight the advantages you have, thereby making you look attractive. A well-fitted jacket or shirt not only makes you feel confident, but also cleverly shows off your masculinity. Small details such as long enough sleeves, a gently hugging waist, or a well-fitted shoulder all contribute to creating a perfect look when you wear clothes that fit well. Every movement of yours becomes attractive, like a blend of comfort and sophistication. A well-fitted outfit is also the key to confidence. When you feel comfortable in your clothes, you will naturally become more attractive. That feeling of confidence will spread in every gesture, look and word, making it easy for you to attract the attention of others. Therefore, choose clothes that fit well. Highlight your body strength and highlight your unique personality. With clothes that fit well, you not only highlight your appearance, but also create a strong and masculine impression. This confidence is the most important factor that makes you always shine and attract the attention of everyone around you. 5. Classic watch is a timeless symbol of luxury and class. Not just a tool to tell the time. A classic watch carries an undeniable elegance and charm for mature men. A watch is not just an accessory, but an indispensable part of their style collection. A classic watch is a clear demonstration of the own care and exquisite taste. Young women are always attracted to men who know how to take care of themselves and show confidence through this smallest details. A classic watch is an item that not only helps you enhance your elegance, but also reflects your calmness and maturity. When a luxury watch is on your wrist, it is not just an accessory, but a strong affirmation of your style and personality. She will feel the confidence radiating from you, thereby feeling attracted and always wanting to be closer. It is these classic watches, with simple but artistic designs, that will make her look at you without admiration. You don't need to say too much for her to recognize your class. Every time you move, the watch will be a gentle reminder of who you are. A man with a unique style who does not follow trends, but always maintains his identity. Classic. Watches are not just objects, but symbol of luxury, of the passing of time, and of the precious moments you are living. 6. Perfume, a powerful weapon of seduction that every mature man needs to have in his collection. Fragrance is something that has a special power in creating unforgettable impressions, awakening the senses and making other people's hearts flutter. A man with a sophisticated style will always know how to choose a suitable scent for himself, both expressing strong charm and reflecting his elegance and maturity. When you enter a space, the scent of perfume will follow you everywhere, gentle and seductive. It is that fleeting moment that leaves an unforgettable mark on the person opposite. She will not be able to help but look back when you enter the room, and even when you leave, the scent still lingers in the air, making her unconsciously remember you. That is the power that a scent brings. It is not simply an element that adds attraction, but also a part of your lifestyle and ego. The scent you choose will say a lot about yourself. A competent, mature man who knows how to take care of himself. No need to say too much. Just that scent, it will say everything you want to convey. When she smells that scent, there will be a wordless connection, a feeling that cannot be described in words, but is extremely intense. Perfume is a great weapon of seduction that you can use, making her always remember you even when you are not around. 7 sophisticated eyeglasses are not simply an accessory to protect your eyes from the sun, but also an element that helps elevate your style and express the strong personality of a mature man. A pair of beautiful eyeglasses that fit your face will make you look both intellectual and mass masculine, creating a charming and attractive appearance. It is not just a simple item, but an indispensable part of every man's style collection. When you wear eyeglasses, you are not only protecting your eyes from external influences, but also affirming your competence and aesthetic taste. A pair of fashionable eyeglasses, whether classic or modern, can make you stand out and create a strong impression in the eyes of those around you, especially for women. Eyeglasses not only make you look stylish, but also evoke the image of a knowledgeable, experienced man with a unique sophistication. When a man knows how to choose glasses that suit HE, is style and face shape. It is a sign of care and sophistication. Glasses can make a clear difference, making you more attractive and appealing than ever. It is an indispensable accessory to add charm, express your unique personality, and make all eyes turn to you. The perfect combination of intelligence and masculinity is what glasses bring, helping you become a man that women cannot take their eyes off. 8. A leather belt is not just a simple accessory, but a symbol of masculinity and elegant style. A quality leather belt can make any outfit perfect, from a formal office suit to a comfortable outfit for intimate meetings. Not only does it help you look neater and more neat, a leather belt also highlights a strong and attractive appearance, affirming the confidence of a mature man when you wear a leather belt. It not only helps keep your outfit neat, but also helps you affirm your style and sophisticated aesthetic taste details, such as shiny metal buckles or sturdy seams of the belt. All bring sophistication, expressing your strong personality and fashion sense. A leather belt is not simply an item to hold clothes, but it is also a highlight in the outfit, attracting the eyes of everyone around with a leather belt. You not only dress well, but also show the character of a mature man. It is the ideal accessory to affirm maturity, charm, and class. Every time you adjust the belt on your waist, it is not only a simple action, but also a way for you to show respect for yourself and your style. A leather belt is an important detail that helps you complete your masculine appearance, creating a special attraction and making others pay attention to you. Every time you appear, 9 leather jackets are always a symbol of strength and personality, a favourite choice of mature men with durable leather material and impressive design. Leather jackets not only keep you warm, but also affirm your own style, making you more attractive in the eyes of young women. A well-fitted leather jacket hugging the body not only highlights your figure, but also exudes a masculine elegance. When wearing a leather jacket, you will feel competent, and powerful leather jackets give the wearer a strong style, not easily blending into the crowd. In particular, the combination of smooth leather material and sharp design further enhances the attractive appearance of mature men, making all eyes pay attention when you appear. Not only a fashion item, leather jackets are also an indispensable part of the lifestyle of men who know how to take care of themselves. It shows maturity, confidence, and the ability to conquer life's challenges. When you walk into a room, your leather jacket will be a strong statement about your personality and charm. And that's why it makes you special in the eyes of women, especially young ones who are always looking for a mature man with certainty in every action. A leather jacket not only helps you stand out from the crowd, but is also a sign of a competent, strong, and attractive man. 10 well-fitted jeans are an indispensable item in every man's wardrobe. With a simple but impressive design, jeans give you a dynamic and healthy look, highlighting the wearer's confident and strong appearance. when you choose a pair of jeans that fit well. Not too tight or too loose, you will feel absolutely comfort while still maintaining an attractive fashion style. The special thing about jeans is the flexibility in combination. You can easily mix it with a simple t-shirt for days out on the street, or wear it with a shirt for more formal meeting. This combination brings a youthful, modern look that never goes out of style. Well-fitted jeans help you flatter your figure without losing comfort, an ideal choice for those who want to create their own style, while still being easy to move in all situations. When you wear jeans that fit well, it is not just a matter of choosing a fashion item, but also a way to show your understanding of personal style. You will become more attractive in the eyes of everyone, especially women, because of the confidence emanating from the outfit itself. The fit and neatness of jeans will help you affirm your strong, dynamic, and vibrant style. That is why jeans always maintain their position as an indispensable item in every man's wardrobe, helping you always feel young, fashionable, and always ready for every meeting. Through today's video, you have discovered indispensable fashion items that help older men attract strong attention from young women. Sophisticated clothing choices are not only a way for you to improve your appearance, but also a way to express your personality, confidence, and unique style, from a neat white shirt to a powerful leather jacket. Each item brings charm and appeal, making you the center of attention. Try changing your style and you will immediately feel the obvious difference. Don't hesitate to experiment with new outfits, because confidence is an important factor in helping you conquer the hearts of women. Sometimes, just a little change in the way you dress is enough to make a big difference in how you are perceived and attract others. Wish you always confident and successful in your journey to conquer women's hearts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on other great videos and tips. Stay tuned with us as we continue to discover new things that will help you improve yourself and become the man everyone wants. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.